okay, rooms for changing. So it's actually a whole complex, big complex, as you can see. And it was also a dome structure, but as I told you, this was actually, because to protect it, they covered it with sand until we built this dome, so we uncovered it again. So what you see right here, but notice, because this is, one piece of the columns, as you can see, because of the earthquake, how it actually destroyed the mosaic on this side. So this is what happened, because of the earthquake 749 AD. So here is how we know that, like the columns right here, you can see the pieces of mosaic here.
देखो सारा is one piece उस वक्त दा बनया हुन रिकवर कीता ना
One piece was different pattern.
छुप गया सी सारा
You can see like each one has a different pattern.
different pattern
You're gonna see here swimming pools, like small, like jacuzzi, like small swimming pools. So it was a luxurious, resort for the Umayyad, caliph, or the ruler at that time.
very good ये हम शाम बिन अब्दुलमक का जो पैलेस था अमेजिंग प्लेस देखिए स्विमिंग पूल और ये उसके रूम थे कमरे थे ये स्विमिंग पूल भी है कहते हैं वो स्विमिंग पूल बने हुए हैं इधर पानी भर के रखा हुआ था उसके अंदर बैठते थे अभी ये जापान की हुकूमत ने $2 मिलियन दिए इसको रिकवर किया है बिल्कुल छुप गया था तो वो नीचे से निकालें ये सारा ये देखें वन पीस है पाकिस्तान जिंदा फलस्तीन जिंदाबाद ये देखें ये पूरा पैलेस है अभी उन्होंने इसको रिकवर किया अभी इसकी रिपेयरिंग कर रहे हैं देखें ये पैलेस डिफरेंट पैटर्न डिफरेंट डिज़ाइनिंग है पूरे पैलेस के अंदर बहुत ज़बरदस्त ये इसकी पूरी डिटेल लिखी हुई
Now if you look at the columns, these were restored, but the original one, you can see them, they are actually built of stone right over there. This is concrete and it was painted, okay? So this is restoration when it comes to the columns. But the original one, you can see them with the Corinthian capitals on the top, like this one and that one. Yeah. So we still have part, but the mosaic on the floor, that's all original as it was discovered.
When was it destroyed?
This all was destroyed in 749 AD, 8th century, because of an earthquake. Earthquake that was led to this destruction. And this was like what we call it a hunting palace for the Umayyads. The Umayyads, their capital was in Damascus, in Syria. And they used to come all the way from Damascus to Jerusalem. And on this road, they built many palaces for their stops. They stay like 2 weeks here, then continue. So this is not like a permanent palace for them. They used to come here, stay for 2 weeks for hunting also and relax.
ये देखिए कितना खूबसूरत ये पैलेस शाम बिन अब्दुलमक का दौर
This is what we call it the tree of life. Okay, you can also go from over there.
Tree of life.
Yes, so this was all, or actually made, of course, all natural colored stone. Notice the stucco that used to cover the walls also. There is only, small pieces that is left. But this is the tree of life. And we call it the tree of life because simply it represents life. You can see on one side there is killing, destruction, a lion attacking a gazelle, and then, to the left side you can see like 2 gazelles grazing peacefully. So war and peace, good and evil. That's the name, of this tree, the tree of life. But it actually represents the surrounding because this is a pomegranate tree, which is grown here also in Palestine. It's not an apple tree or anything like this, but it is a pomegranate.
Fruit? No.
Yeah,
fruit tree.
Yeah, pomegranate.
Anar. Rumman.
You can see the patterns here.
It's different. Very nice.
So you can imagine this is an art, small pieces, they cut them from different, colored stone and then they have to install them. So it needs, a lot of time just to do one piece.
Very good.
Up here you're going to see what we call it, the medallion or the central circular medallion, where also there is, you know, like in the middle, just to let water out, you know, because it was also water splashing, but you can see we have, you know, like a draining system in the middle.
Very nice. Water on the two draining system and
कितने कारी लोग हुए जी, कितने अज़ीम लोग हुए जी, किस तरह